Are you a highly accomplished professional who believes that settling in the United States is the right path to attaining your future goals? Are you looking to apply for an immigrant work visa without the requirement of a job offer? You wonder whether you are eligible for EB2 National Interest Waiver. We are Francis Law Center and EB2 NIW Visa lawyers. We have offices in Chicago, Schaumburg, Naperville, and Madison and work with professionals worldwide. Today, we will explain an EB2 NIW self-petition. What is the EB2 NIW? An EB2 NIW visa is an employment-based immigrant visa that grants you permanent U.S. residency without the requirement of a job offer or a labor certification. If you are a highly accomplished professional who works in a field of national interest to the United States, you can greatly benefit from this employment-based visa classification. If eligible, the National Interest Waiver Visa allows you to petition for yourself, which means that you don't need a job offer. EB2 NIW Visa also allows you to forego the tedious process of obtaining a perm labor certification. Moreover, once you have successfully been approved for the EB2 NIW Visa, you can also apply for permanent U.S. residency for your spouse and unmarried children under 21 years. What is EB2 Visa USA? To find out if you qualify for an EB2 NIW visa, you need to first check if you are otherwise eligible under the EB2 criteria of advanced degree or exceptional ability. An EB2 petition filed under the advanced degree classification requires that beneficiary possesses an advanced U.S. degree or foreign equivalent and that the position normally requires such an advanced degree. The beneficiary holding a U.S. bachelor's degree or its foreign equivalent and having 5 years of progressive, post-degree work experience is also eligible for the EB2 visa classification of advanced degree. Meanwhile, an EB2 petition filed under the exceptional ability classification must establish that the beneficiary possesses a high level of ability within the fields of sciences, arts, or business. To prove exceptional ability, the beneficiary must successfully provide at least 3 of the 6 accepted documentary evidence. EB2 National Interest Waiver petitions allow the beneficiary to petition without a job offer or a labor certification. NIW beneficiary must establish that they are professionally well accomplished within their fields and that it is in the interest of the United States to waive the requirements of a labor certification and a job offer. What documents do I need to submit for an EB2 NIW petition? Depending on whether your NIW petition is based on the criteria of advanced degree or exceptional ability, you will have to submit documents that prove your academic or professional achievements. Irrespective of the classification under which the NIW petition is filed under, all NIW beneficiaries must submit well-prepared supporting documents to show that the beneficiary's proposed endeavor has both substantial merit and national importance. National Interest Waiver beneficiaries must also show that the beneficiary is well positioned to advance the proposed endeavor, and on balance, it would be beneficial to the United States to waive the requirements of a job offer, and thus the labor certification. Documents that prove professional achievements may include testimonial letters, proof of awards conferred to the beneficiary, proof of the beneficiary's publications and citations, proof of media reports featuring the beneficiary's accomplishments, etc. Is it hard to get EB2 NIW? Although NIW petitions may seem like a highly advantageous option, preparing a petition for the same is a complex process that is best left to expert immigration attorneys. This is because EB2 NIW petitions are generally subjected to intense scrutiny by USCIS. In order to successfully petition for NIW, a case-specific strategy would need to be implemented. If you would like to evaluate your eligibility under the National Interest Waiver Program, feel free to reach out to our team for an initial consultation. Our experts can help you identify if your field of expertise will be regarded as a field of national interest to the U.S. How long does it take for NIW to be approved? Once filed, An EB2 NIW petition will generally be processed by USCIS within 8 to 10 months, although it is subject to change. If your NIW petition is approved, you will also receive a priority date, which is the date you can apply for your immigrant visa. This priority date will depend on your country of origin. Please bear in mind that for some countries, there is no wait time. However, for other countries such as China and India, there is a very long wait time. EB2 NIW Premium Processing. Generally, EB2 NIW petitions were not eligible for premium processing until early 2022. However, as per a recent USCIS announcement, NIW petitions that were received by the service on or before February 1, 2022 became eligible for a premium processing upgrade for a fee of $2,500. USCIS has 45 days to adjudicate the cases that request premium processing for these newly included Form I-140 classifications. This is Francis Law Center. Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the notification bell. Thank you.